Hello, I'm Dr. Robert Fennell with handandfootpain.com, and today I'm going to show you how to correct a hammer toe. I've got a foot model here showing the 26 bones of the human foot. Due to repetitive strain, excessive walking, walking on rough terrain, wearing improper shoes that fit too tightly and constrict the toes, and even high heel shoes. A lot of women have shoes that are probably way too high and too constricting, and as a result, they can develop hammer toes. The hammer toe is where the toe actually crimps. Usually it's the second through the fifth toe that are most common, where the toe joints will crimp up, and it's a joint problem. It's due to a misalignment of some of these 26 bones of the foot. And it can actually be caused by the long bones in the foot becoming rotated or misaligned. There's several things you can do to help improve or take tension off and relieve your hammer toes when you have them. The first thing is evaluate your footwear. You want to make sure that you're wearing less constricting footwear. If you like to wear high heels, let's say you wear a 3-inch heel, just drop it down to a 2 or even a 2.5-inch heel. You'll be amazed what 1/2 inch less of a heel will do for your foot. The best rule of thumb though, if you have and suffer with hammer toes, wearing flats as much as possible and having a wide toe box to your shoe and a long enough shoe is a very important thing. There are some other things we can do to improve your hammer toes as well. So one of the first things you can do at home for yourself if you suffer with hammer toes is a manual stretch, a gentle manual stretch of the hammer toes. Whichever toes are affected, like you'll notice this fifth toe and this fourth toe have some of that crimping we were talking about. Not real severe, kind of mild, but we're going to basically take a hold of the toe with your thumb and finger and very gently pull distally or pull outward on the toe, almost like you're elongating it. This should not be painful. If this causes pain, then don't do it. Just pull gently enough before the pain results. You're going to stretch for about 10 seconds and then go to the next toe. And you can do this 2 or 3 times a day. This helps to relieve tension in the tendons and ligaments of your hammer toes. The last thing I'm going to show you about hammer toes, and one of the most important things you can do to really help relieve the pain and tension associated with your hammer toes and straighten them out some even, is chiropractic manipulations of the individual foot and toe joints, which is going to help to improve the flexibility, strength, and control of your toes. So we're going to go ahead and contact the bones where they're misaligned, and of course a complete chiropractic exam and maybe even x-rays is important. By adjusting these joints, this helps to take the pressure off of the ligaments and tendons. This properly lines up the toe bones so that way they can feel and function better. Although we may not be able to perfectly cure and straighten out a hammer toe, chiropractic joint manipulation of the toes can really help to improve the condition and prevent it from getting worse. And that's how you correct a hammer toe. I'm Dr. Robert Fennell with handandfootpain.com, and thank you for watching this video.